Hello, we are Mini Wishes.
And we're back from Disney.
It's sad. Okay.
But we've still got a countdown.
We still have a countdown, 125 days.
Yeah. That's where we go to Florida.
Yeah, boy.
We had a fantastic time in Disney, didn't we?
It was so good.
Just the heat was a bit too much.
Oh, God, it was 25 days on the Wednesday.
25 days?
28 degrees on Wednesday.
It was just too hot, really ridiculous. We didn't expect it to be that hot in France because it's never that hot in, well, not the north of France anyway. You'd expect it sort of on the south coast maybe, but not on the north coast. Anyhow,
Yes.
so this video is another unboxing. Woohoo! So Alice doesn't know about this. I ordered this ages ago, and I've been waiting for ages for it to arrive. They sent one lot out and it didn't arrive, so this is the second lot. So I don't really know what to expect from it because we've never got one from there before. So we'll see. Scissors out the side of you.
I'll just leave it.
Right.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Are they wrapped up?
Ooh,
Oh my God, they're
yeah.
wrapped up. Oh my God, this is so exciting.
Oh, so do you want to put the box at the side then you can just pass? No.
I love it when things are wrapped up. It gives me joy. It's Ariel. It's an Ariel book. Ariel on it. Oh my God. Oh, it's a Little Mermaid book.
Oh, that's cute.
It's the story of the Little Mermaid. So, look, it's Ariel there. Oh my gosh, isn't it exciting? There you go.
Okay, I'll open them. So they're all wrapped up in Mickey and Minnie wrapping paper, which is cute. Oh yeah, oh, just Minnie, which is cute for Mini Wishes.
Mini Wishes.
Oh, and it's a little spongy sort of shower mitt thing.
Yeah.
You might have guessed there's a bit of a theme to this box.
Is it an Ariel themed box?
Oh, that's
there's a
cute.
Sebastian on it. Oh, there's a little coin purse with Sebastian on it, and it's like holographic.
That's cute, I like that.
Oh, that's cute. Put that there. Oh, do you want a little one or?
You tell me.
Do you want? Oh, that's
Ooh.
a little one.
This is a cute one. See what this one is. But it took them ages to wrap them
I
all.
know, they're tiny.
Yeah. I will put all the details of the company down below. And I feel really bad, but I can't honestly remember the name of the company offhand because I think I ordered it at the beginning of April. So I've been sort of chasing it up since. The woman that I've dealt with has been really lovely, to be fair. But I will put all the details below. Oh, it's a trading card. Oh. And it's
Cute.
the Little Mermaid. And it's the Disney Princess trading cards.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
I want to open this big one.
Go on then.
It's a tote bag.
Ooh. It's cute that they're all wrapped up as well. We've never had a mystery box with it all wrapped up. Oh.
It's an Ariel bag.
And in true Mini Wishes style.
Fashion. Get it right. Do you want to use one?
Go on there.
We've got 3 more.
Ooh. Oh,
Are they light up
mini
ones?
ears. Looks like they
They're
are, yeah.
light up ones. Go on,
That's
test
cute.
them out. Test them out. It's loud packaging.
Yeah. I think you have to pull the thing, yeah.
Neat.
Oh,
Oof.
they're cute. Ah.
They have different modes.
Oh, I like that one. They're cute.
They're cute.
Oh, I like that. Mini wishes to go with that. Mini ears to go with our mini wishes.
Go on, you keep them on for the rest
Go
of
on
the
then.
video.
All right.
Oh, it's my turn. Isn't it? Oh, this one's a squishy one.
Mm.
It's some socks. Oh my gosh. Look. They're
Alice is
cute.
obsessed with socks. She has 1,001 pairs.
Just
Never
do
have
this.
enough socks in our house.
Oh,
They're cute.
they're cute. Do you want the really little one?
Oh, go on, I'll have the really little one.
Okay, we'll open them together.
Okay. It's like opening your dad's wrapping.
Oh God, yeah, he's horrible at wrapping.
No, he's good wrapping, but he puts loads of sellotape on. I can't even work out how to get into this one. I need scissors. Handy dandy scissors.
Like Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's got bubble wrap on it. Gosh.
Gosh darn it.
It's a pin. It's a pin. It's a pin.
I think I'll still be here at Christmas trying to get in. Oh, I've got in.
If she's done it.
Oh, it's a key
It's a key
ring.
ring.
Oh, that's cute. That's an Ariel key ring.
Mine's an Ariel pin and she's with Flounder.
Oh.
Yeah, cute.
No prizes for guessing who's going to claim all these then. Is that it, yeah?
Yeah, we just got loads
Box
of
of
peanuts.
peanuts. Not real peanuts, just the packing ones. Ones that you get in a packing. So yeah, we'll put all the details below of which company it was that we used, and they were all different types of. You could tailor it to different characters, but obviously with Alice being a big Ariel fan, I thought we'd try that.
Did they not have a Chip and Dale one?
No, they didn't. No. So yeah, we'll post details down below. It was a good package. We've got some different stuff, things that we've not seen. So. That's always worth it because sometimes you end up with the same things from different companies. So, yeah. We'll definitely have a look at their stuff again and see what else we can get.
And for now,
TTFN!